You're watching Foxtecc. Let's quickly go over how to rearrange apps on your iPad so you can organize your home screen exactly the way you want. Start by tapping and holding any app icon on the home screen. After a second or two, all the apps will start to jiggle. This is when you're free to move things around. You can drag any app to a new spot on the screen or even slide it over to the edge to move it to a different page. If you want to group apps into folders, just drag one app on top of another. A folder will automatically be created. You can tap the name field right after that to rename the folder to something useful. From there, you can drag more apps into the folder or take them out just by dragging them in or out while everything's still in jiggle mode. To move multiple apps at once, hold one app and then tap additional apps with another finger. They'll stack together and move as a group. You can drop the group on a new screen in a folder or into the dock. Speaking of the dock, you can rearrange apps there too. Just drag them in or out while apps are still jiggling. Once you're done, either press the home button if your iPad has one or tap done in the top right corner of the screen. That locks in your changes. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you later.